लड़कियों को तो ये पहले से ही डील करते आ रहे हैं हम कि ये क्यों पहना है, वो क्यों किया, लड़कों के साथ क्यों घूमा, ऐसे क्यों बैठे, बाल क्यों काटा. आई एम एन एथियस्ट. आई हैव अ मदर हु इज मुस्लिम. आई हैव अ फादर हु इज अ हिंदू. We believe that, agnostic atheist, honestly, कि कुछ है, अच्छा ही होगा, करो कर्मा, अच्छा करो, अच्छा होगा, बुरा करो, बुरा होगा.
Hi Fatima, how are you?
Hi Diksha, how are you?
I'm good. Thank you so much for taking time out to do this with us.
अरे no, thank you. फिल्म प्रमोट करनी है.
Suraj Par Mangal Bhari in some sense is a story of arranged marriages also. Have you ever been put up in such a setup?
No, never. My parents, उनका लव मैरिज है. मतलब पापा हिंदू, मम्मा मुस्लिम, दोनों आ गए, शादी कर ली बॉम्बे. लाइक दे आर फ्रॉम जम्मू कश्मीर. सो आई मीन नॉट the kind of family who would want to enforce an arranged marriage.
You're playing Manoj Bajpayee's sister, and he's a phenomenal actor, right? I mean, he in some sense seems like somebody जिनको effort डालने की ज़रूरत नहीं पड़ेगी acting में. क्या सीखने के लिए क्या मिला उनके साथ set पे? I'm sure there must be certain things that you probably added to your process of acting also.
All the while we were working, I used to ask him a lot of questions. मतलब कि आपने ये कैरेक्टर कैसे प्ले किया, क्या सोचा, कहाँ से आया, ये बॉडी लैंग्वेज कहाँ से पकड़ी, कहाँ से उठाई. There's a lot of experience behind him. He can play any sort of a role and so fluidly, any age group. He can play a young role and an old role and still do it so convincingly well. I don't know, मतलब क्या खा के पैदा हुए वो. But some people are just so good at it. He's one of those people, and he's incredible, not only as an actor but even as a person.
Fatima, you've spoken about how you tend to put pressure on yourself, like you go into this mode of self-doubt. Is it difficult being an actor then, because you always have these people who are throwing criticism at you also?
I think I do doubt myself and my talent at times, but I also know that I have to seek approval from only one person on the set. That is the director. So even if I'm doubting myself, I go to the director.
What are your checks and balances for this script? I want to understand. You're fairly new.
As an audience, if I get involved in the story, then I'm very much wanting to be a part of that story. And there are times when I'm choosing a film not for the script but for the director. That's what I did with Ludo. I did the film for the director, not for the script, because I had no idea what the script was.
So for Ludo, you did not read the script and you just went ahead and said yes to the project?
Yes. Nobody read the script in the film. There's not even one person who's read the script in the film. दादा के पास script नहीं होती है.
4 years back when Dangal came, there must have been certain expectations that you had after the success of the film. Were those met, and what did the time look like right after the film? Did opportunities pour in? Did roles pour in?
Work did pour in, but not the kind that I wanted. So I was holding back. I then got thugs, so I thought I could hold back longer, but that did not do well. So that was unfortunate. But then I realized that you should not bank all your money in one account. ऐसे बोलते ना, एक अकाउंट में सारे पैसे नहीं डालने चाहिए. तो वो मैं समझ गई. आपको काम करते रहना है. You need to keep on working. You need to keep on exploring, and काम अच्छा हुआ तो great. अगर फिल्म चली तो great, नहीं चली तो कोई बात नहीं. But keep on working.
How has the Fatima in 2016, 2015, 2016 changed to Fatima today? Like, what is the general set of values that you go with now because you're a part of the industry?
I think I have my own value system that I try to hold on to. It's a hard choice when you know that it's a big film. It's a hard choice. Either you do the film because you want to be successful, and I want to be successful. But would I want to go that path? Then I think कि नहीं यार, मुझसे नहीं हो पाएगा. मैं ऐसी फिल्में देखती नहीं हूँ, तो मुझे करनी भी नहीं है, तो मैं नहीं करती हूँ. फिर वो फिल्म हिट होती है तो मुझे लगता है यार करनी चाहिए थी क्या अपने वैल्यूज को साइड. ये क्वेश्चन आंसर मैं मेरे खुद से होता रहता है.
But how have you changed as a person is also what we'd like to know. That when you're a new fledgling actor.
I think I've become much calmer. I've become a little confident in my work. Now I can give interviews. Before I used to get very nervous. I used to be very anxious before. I used to be very insecure before.
When you say insecure, what do you mean? Like insecure with regards to what people are doing?
Yeah, what people are doing. They are getting work. I'm not getting work. They are getting the work that I want to do. They are not casting. People are not casting me. People are casting other people. People are casting न्यू कमर्स एंड नॉट मी, इसका फिर अंत नहीं है. आपका थॉट कहीं से शुरू होता है, खत्म होता ही नहीं है, वो तो फिर चलता रहता है.
You mentioned that your dad is a Hindu, your mom is a Muslim. We recently saw this ad also, Tanishq ad, which sort of was taken down because communal harmony का message दिखाने की कोशिश हो रही थी. How have you seen the reaction of people change around you, you know, because you're brought up in a family of two faiths? Have you seen a difference?
There are always people who are very, you know, extremists, and वो सदियों से, it's, you know, they've always been there. Fortunately मेरे साथ personally कोई ऐसा experience नहीं हुआ है. मेरे स्कूल में एक गरीब बच्चा भी आता था, एक अमीर बच्चा भी आता था, मेरी बाई का बेटा भी आता था, एक पायलट का बच्चा भी आता था, और मिडिल क्लास लोग भी आते थे, हम भी जाते थे. तो मैंने कभी सीखा ही नहीं था कि किसी से किसी का जात पहले पूछना चाहिए, नाम पहले पूछना चाहिए. ना मैंने वो सीखा, ना मैंने कभी पूछा. वो तो अभी रियलाइज हो रहा है कि लोग बहुत इंटरेस्टेड है ये सब चीजों में, क्योंकि पता नहीं, शायद बहुत समय है. एम्पैथी भी बहुत कम है लोगों में. सो आई होप दैट दिस चेंजेस, एंड आई होप दैट देयर इज मोर टॉलरेंस टुवर्ड्स different cultures, different religion, different caste, because India is secular and we are a democratic country.
But have you ever seen people's reaction change just because your name is Fatima? You know, they probably don't want to know what values you come with.
That happens. That will always happen. Why are you wearing this dress? You should change your name. ये सब होता है. But you ignore. I mean, you can't be dealing with all of these things. You can't be dealing with this hate. You ignore, you block them.
But Fatima, something as petty as maybe your clothes, you know, it's nobody's business to comment on what you're wearing. But when you get trolled for a particular dress, what does it do to an actor?
I know, but haven't you been told? You're not an actor, but we are what, 5 maybe. कि मतलब 5 होता है. लड़कियों को तो ये पहले से ही डील करते आ रहे हैं हम, कि ये क्यों पहना है, वो क्यों किया, लड़कों के साथ क्यों घूमा, ऐसे क्यों बैठे, बाल क्यों काटा. We just hope that as women we are together with each other and we do not put each other down. चीजों को बदलने के लिए ना जनरेशंस लगते हैं, एक इंटेंट लगता है. जो ये औरतें हैं जो जिनको लगता है कि रेप एक औरत का की ही गलती है, जो, और ऐसी औरतें हैं जिनको लगता है कि मेरे लड़के थोड़ी ना करते, बच्चे लड़के तो लड़के हैं, बॉयज आर बॉयज, सिर्फ औरतों की गलती होती है, कपड़े ऐसे पहन के निकल रही थी. यार उन्होंने उनकी जिंदगी क्या है, they were born like that, they were brought up like that, they have gone through abuse, they have gone through a lot of issues. Now after everything they have come to a point, now they have formed an opinion which is so regressive, which they are not aware of, and you can't ask them to change overnight.
Being a minority woman, I want to ask you that have you faced the unwillingness in terms of, you know, being an actor? Like, were you ever told that why are you choosing this profession? And today when you see your peers sort of dropping out of the profession and saying that they want to follow a faith, of course it's their faith, but does it make you question?
Not at all, because I'm very clear of what I want. I'm very clear, and if somebody wants to follow their faith, they are very clear, and if they're happy in that, I have no problem. It is their choice, and they are not flag bearers of women, or what a woman should be, or what an independent woman should be. And just because they're choosing their faith does not mean that they are regressive, is also what I feel. Generally what happens, that you assume that if somebody is following a faith also means that they're regressive. That doesn't necessarily have to be. I'm an atheist. I have a mother who is Muslim. I have a father who's a Hindu. My brother and myself, we are atheists. We do not follow any religion. We do not follow any God. We believe that, you know, agnostic atheist, honestly, कि कुछ है, अच्छा ही होगा, करो कर्मा, अच्छा करो, अच्छा होगा, बुरा करो, बुरा होगा. Humanity is my religion, is what I feel.
Lovely speaking with you, Fatima.
Thank you so much.